Let me make sure this is good. It's good, everybody. Let's make sure everything's on par here. Let's make sure everything's on par here. Let's make sure everything's on par here. What's good, Tino Link? Let's make sure everything's on par here. Should I turn the music off in the background or keep it on? I don't know if it's messing with how things sound here. Can't tell. Hopefully the background noise isn't messing with anything. Okay, sounds good. Alright, this sounds good then. We'll keep it here. Okay, and we're gonna move this right here. Check out the live chat. AMC, GameStop are doing good today. Leave light music. Yeah, okay. That's what I wanted to do, but the thing is, it's not in the background this time. It's actually, I'm playing it on the same computer I'm streaming from, so I didn't know if it was gonna ruin anything. This green arrow tomorrow? Huh. Oh, are you talking about on this chart, Tino Link? You talking about this candle? This green arrow? I actually have this lined up for the 25th, around the 25th, which is going to be about a week from now for this big move. I explained everything in yesterday's video, but it's pretty much Fibonacci time zone lining up perfectly, and it was a Reddit post that someone called out in the live stream. Okay, so if you set it up right here, it timed this run up, and it's lining up perfectly with this run up. So I gave from April 25th to May 10th, so that 15-day-ish period, because on the times these ran up, it was about 5 or 6 trading days before the Fib time zone, but they did line up. Let's see. Yes, I heard, but they will do from 13 to 15. You know that. Yeah, they could possibly do that. But yeah, they could do the lowest they got it, like right here. But I don't know, right? Because if you take a look at this and compare it, the way they dropped to this, right? It came. Alright, I just deleted all drawings, but fuck it, it's better. It came right down to, you know, this level of resistance, which is now support, right? And you're kind of seeing the same thing happen here. So we could actually get a move off of this level, right? But it definitely could go back down to, you know, 12, 13. It's possible. Come back down to where it came down to over here. Right here. What's going on, everybody? We are just getting the stream going here. Just chilling. It is 1:26 p.m. Eastern Standard. AMC is up 3.15%. GameStop is also doing well, up 3.4. Oh, actually up 4.4%. A little glitch there. So then tomorrow, yeah. So we'll see. So we will see. To put it in like a basic perspective, right? Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Something I'd be expecting is let's zoom out here. Right? Just following cycles. Something I'd be expecting is like along the lines of this, like little moves up, and then climb, right? Just based off of the past. But I think it's definitely, we're right here. I think we're definitely right here. And also, it held this $17 level pretty easily, and now it's, you know, curling around here. Not only that, but what's pretty weird is I actually saw, here, let's see if I can pull it up for AMC. It's nothing significant, but, you know, let's see. Get back here. Get back here. Why? Alright, you ask, we analyze why AMC Entertainment looks set to rebound into this pattern. I didn't even read this, but just the fact that this is a headline, and, you know, they have this, AMC mobile app lets you buy tickets using Dogecoin, Shiba, whatever, right? They always put out nasty bad articles about AMC. The fact that they put out, you know, it looks like AMC is going to follow this pattern. The media always likes to be right. So they're bashing the stock, going against the stock constantly, and now they think, oh, they're going to be the ones to call it out. Whatever, let them do their thing. AMC could follow in this pattern. Why AMC could rebound, right? Things along the lines like that. Let's see, make sure that everything is going good with the stream. There is one thing that I wanted to, you know, we'll wait for a little bit for the announcement here. But yeah, everything's lining up. We're gonna have to reset the fib time zone here. If I can. Don't want to get it at the wrong levels. No, that's retracement. We need fib time zone. I believe this is the spot here. Let's make sure. No, this isn't it. All right, Reddit post it is. How's everybody doing today? We're gonna look over. Let's see if there's any stock market news here. Stock market news, live updates. Stocks rise, investors wait flurry of earnings. Yeah, right now is earnings season, so you're definitely gonna see some crazy moves around and throughout the market in general. Let's see. U.S. stocks climb Tuesday as investors process the large deluge of earnings reports and revised forecast. How's the SPY doing? How is the SPY doing here? SPY actually got to move. It's good, Chris. It's good, dog. Yeah, this move on the SPY is pretty weird, but you see exactly where it's getting rejected. Where's? What are you talking about? The SPY didn't break out of. Where's Rhonda? The SPY didn't break out of anything significant at all. So I'd be very careful trading the SPY here. If you take a look at right where it's getting rejected, right? Right at this level. Just going to continue for now. For now, you didn't get the breakout you want to see on the SPY. Let's check out the top gainers. I don't know where Rhonda's at. She'll probably pop in later. Let's see. CMPI, what is this one doing? CMPI. What the fuck? Is this 5-to-1 stock split or something crazy? I don't know. This looks crazy. Definitely looks like a split of some sort. Let's check the news on this. Okay. Stock up 300%. merger. It's like a merger. See what else is moving. SEV. SEV climbing. Risky. I mean, on the 1 minute it looks good. But it's starting to get a little bit of flat here. I'd be careful. Be careful if you're in this. Yeah, I would not jump in this. If you trade SEV right now, you're risking down to this support. You're risking 20% for potentially 13, 22, or 50. It's up to you. It is risky. It's already running. I wouldn't chase personally. YouTube Studio notification. Josh commented, I like your thinking and honest approach. Thanks. I don't know what video he commented on that, but thanks, bro. If you are in here, I just got the notification. PTPI most active again? This thing ran before. I remember this. Chris, bro, if you're still in here, you still in here? This is a stock that Ethan, he got smoked on. Ethan got smoked on this shit. PTPI back here. I think he bought like around here. He bought at something crazy at like 350, 360. And he was up for a bit, and then he got smoked. But if this thing's starting to move again, we'll see. We'll see with PTPI here. Oh, my drawing is going. Could come up. Alright. Let's see what else is moving here. Twitter is not holding up. STSS. TSS, one of the most actives. What is this? Oh, IPO. Sharps Technology. Definitely wouldn't buy into it. Oh wait, is this not? Yeah, looks like it. Unless this had a ticker change or something. This doesn't look good at all. This doesn't look good. If you're in this, you know, you want this to hold 226. Bottom line, after that, you're pretty much smoked. It could hold anywhere from where it's at down to here and get a bounce. But realistically, you wanted it to hold there and it broke below. Watch 226 on this. TBLT, one of the most active here. TBLT is trying to hang on, right? It kind of did what the STSS did, except STSS has to come down to around this level to do what TBLT is just a step ahead. So STSS could definitely catch itself here. I don't know if these things are moving in tandem, but it kind of looks like it. So it bounced off of this level. Didn't hold up here at all. Got shot down. I'd be careful in these. Let's check the 30-minute. Yeah, I don't know. You're either going to get rejected here and another push to the downside. Something like that. Something along those lines. Is anything else moving here? ATR not holding up at all. ATR down 10%. ATR getting smacked. You want this to hold honestly where it's at. Hopefully you get a bounce. Somewhere right here. This is bad. This is bleeding. ATR is getting smacked. For the 8 people, or for whoever else is left in the stream, there are something that I wanted to show the stream. Okay, so if you hit the link down below, this just opened. okay, about 10 minutes ago. It still has to be worked on. I'm gonna make a video about it. It's lottery merch. Okay, you can see right here. You know, it still definitely needs some work. It's in a little bit of a beta, but you can buy these so far. Okay, so you have the Where's Gary Beaner, Where's Gary Beanie, right? The Gary Gensler, where the fuck are you at? You know, doesn't do his job. You have the Where's Gary baseball cap, the pure financial advice, the buy AMC stock shirt, right? The financial advice Wall Street bet sticker, the meme stonks mouse pad, the ape tee and long sleeve. This one's fresh. This one's crispy. You have, this is my favorite product, the Angry Ape mug. And as we're going over this, we got one right here to show you guys, actually. I don't know how good the lighting is going to be, right? Let's see if I can get a light in here. Let's see if we can grab a light. Okay. This is my favorite product out of them. Okay, this is a red ape design on this mug. It's crispy. I like it a lot. This is my favorite product so far on the store. Okay, so the mug is fire. The mug is dope. And then you also have these purple ape tees. I should have personally grabbed a black. You have the pink ape tee as well. And then you have the purple ape hoodie no zip. Okay, so if you want to see, you know, these t-shirts in action, I personally would have rather gotten it in black. But this is it. These are really fire. They're super fire. You know, I haven't actually put it on yet, but we'll slap it on for the stream. We will slap this on for the stream here. These shirts are super good quality too. Super good quality as well. Fits nice, fits good. Right? So honestly, super cool. Super cool. What's good, Antoinette? This is the store I just opened up. If you want to hit the link down below. So yeah, we went over the Where's Gary hats, all the merch, right? You got one of the shirts right here, Pierce shirts. The lighting's not too good, but my favorite product, which is the Angry Ape mug, down here. Got it right here. This thing is sick. Okay, this thing is sick. But yeah, super good quality, super good material, absolutely fire. This just opened 10 minutes ago. Definitely still needs some work. You know, this banner will show up when you guys go to the website. It should, okay, and you should have, you know, little snowflakes and stuff floating around. But that is that for that, and we will make a video on it. But again, the link is down below. Super fire, super good. Now what we have to do is we want to go back to this post and reset this up because I accidentally deleted the drawings on AMC. Jason asked, what's good, bro? Appreciate you hopping in. Alright. Yesterday we talked about this on AMC, the fib time zone extension. Chris, what's up, Sketchy? Chris, merch store just launched, dog. Check the description. Got one on right here. Let's see. Looks like November. Okay. Set this back up, the fib time zone here. November. And then looks like it ends right at here. Yeah, you set this up. Okay. Fib time zone. Let's set this up. And you have it again. Okay. Timing the run-ups perfectly. And we're coming up on that next one. Facts. Gonna order up one of everything with your credit card. Got you, dog. No problem. No problem, buddy. Alright, let's see. We projected in yesterday's video, let's see, April 25th. Okay. So you have the rest of this week, and then the beginning of next week just so happens to be on April 25th, actually. The Monday, that week goes to the 29th. See, is it a 4-day market week next week, or am I tripping? Okay, and then you want this at May 5th. Oh no, we want this at May 10th. Okay. Somewhere within this zone is where we're projecting this move here. Right. Some crazy move. Crazy move up. How's the 1 minute looking? Yeah, let's actually pull this up. Yep, did we freeze up? I think we're back. Alright, we're back here. We're back. That was weird. We just froze up a little bit. We can get this out of here. Let's see. Twitter. Check the Twitter sphere. You ever wonder how many companies are out there like Twitter? Trey tweets. Let's see. Goldman Sachs sees U.S. recession likelihood at 35% in the next 2 years. Listen, we talked about a market crash or market correction, market dump, right? Being good for AMC. Elon, guys, let me know in the chat if we're all good now. Elon reportedly to work with Morgan Stanley MS for the deal. Musk willing to invest 10 to 15 billion of his own cash for Twitter bid. Okay. Let's see. Tesla is the #1 in hiring new employment. Let's see. UK to remove Moscow stock exchange status as a recognized stock exchange. See, Tesla must be doing good. They had a price raise, target raise. Yeah, Tesla up 1.73% here. It's trying to fight this level again. Tesla looks like it's, yeah, kind of coordinating with the SPY here. Here, what does Trey keep tweeting out? Let's see what Trey, buddy, what are you doing? $786. You ever wonder how many companies out there not showing up to ATU don't have any stock? Jeez. Is he? Hey Chris, are you making money? Yeah, Chris, bro, you making money? Alright, You ever wonder how many companies are out there like Twitter, Trey says, not showing up to HQ, don't have any stock? It's wild to think about how deep corruption in the market really runs. You made 12 today? Sad? Why are you sad? You got a free meal. Listen, profit's profit. Money's money. I didn't even trade today. Walt Disney World. Disney has updated its face covering policy to make masks optional for all guests and location. Let's check CEI and Disney. Oh, Tesla's getting a little pop. Same with the SPY. CEI. CEI is trying to get a move here. It's gonna fight this level again. Disney. Disney's doing good, following the SPY as well. I don't know. This could be a little bit of a cool off for this bear trend that everything's been in. Right? You can just look at Disney on the 2 hour. You can look at SPY, 2 hour. $12, not thousands. You cover crypto? Yeah, I can. Honestly, I just forget about crypto. Used to be a little bit deeper into crypto. Let's check out what Ethereum is doing. How are you? I'm late. Let's go. No problem, bro. Gerbs, we went over the new merch store that just launched. You know, there's other stuff to it, but it's super good quality. We got this. These are my 2 favorite products, so I ordered them for myself. But the Ape mug, which is super sick, and we'll pull it up right here so you can check it out. But the link is down below if you want to check this out. The Where's Gary hats, the Buy AMC stock, the financial advice sticker, meme stonks, mouse pads, the super sick Ape long tee, my favorite product, the Angry Ape mug, the Ape tees, which are awesome quality, and the hoodie. How are you though, Droobs? I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good here. Let's take off this volume. Yeah, let's pull up Jason, what crypto do you want to check out? Check out some crypto here. Is this? Let's see. This is by market cap. We don't want that. We want. Oh, Cardano. You want Cardano? Let's pull up ADA. Let's make this. Let's see, Cardano's still hanging out here. I haven't looked at Cardano in a while. Super low. It's honestly nearing its lows here. Overall, it did break this trend that it's been in. I think you're looking at a slow grind for Cardano right now. But until more hype comes around the crypto space, and maybe you know, certain regulations and talks go into it, I think Cardano could be good in the long run, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I'm not sure if there's more downside in this, because if you just take a look at any of the big names, right? Like, a lot of people were comparing Cardano to be better than or very similar to Ethereum, right, in the past, including myself. But if you just take a look at the overall trend of these bigger names, and then you look at Cardano, it's really not looking spicy here. But I will say, breaking its overall downtrend, it is at super low. This is probably something I would load up on at this level and forget about, because I do think Cardano can make some moves. Check out. Good driving right now. Now we'll check out my driving. Get back to check. Yeah, no problem, bro. Definitely be safe driving. Also, you know, if you're driving, let's go over the audio numbers really quick so that you can actually listen. AMC is up 5.5%, 5.15%, actually getting nice and poppy here, at $18.36 right now for AMC. Remember, max pain for this week, I believe, is $19, so we want to close above 19 come Friday here. Let's see how GameStop is doing. Is GameStop getting this pop? Let's see, GameStop up 5.83% on the day, currently trading at 149.59. It looks like you could be seeing these. Let's see. Yeah, it's the SPY is popping, so that's probably why you're seeing it translate over. But at the same time, let's see. Let's take a look at AMC on the daily. At the same time, you're looking at this time frame here. I'm gonna pull up the 30-minute. Right, we went over this. Now the SPY selling off could be good for AMC, but it doesn't have to. We're following in this pattern, and overall, what you should start seeing is something along the lines of this, right? The creep up, ultimately, until we get into that next leg up here. So this is what you want to see. This is nice little pop. Let's see, I gotta move the screen here. We want AMC to clear 1863, clean 1868, somewhere around that zone. There's some resistance there, decent amount of resistance. Honestly, all the way up. But once AMC gets over 22, I don't know if we're gonna be coming back down here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But what's the volume looking like on these? AMC good, make a change a little. Make a change. What do you mean make a change? You want me to look at something else, Jason? You want me to check out a different ticker? Drop the ticker if you want that. AMC trading at 19 million volume. Strato Par, what's good, bro? Welcome to the channel. I don't think I've seen you in here before. How you doing, bro? Let's see. GameStop volume must be super low if AMC's at 19 million. Yeah, 1.56 million on GameStop volume here. Let me check out some numbers really quick. See what Stonko Tracker has to bring up. See what we're working with. Not that, honestly, not that these numbers really mean anything anymore. Overall, I would just use it to base everything off the options chain. But the short exempts are dying down. Something good you like to see. Let's see here. Very decent amount of open interest this week. Expiring the 22nd. Not a lot of people are betting on puts. I'm going to tell you that right now. And the put to call ratio being in the money is about to even out as we push. Okay, 12,000 to 13,000 right here. Max pain on AMC is 19 bucks. You know, this number changes back and forth from 1 million to 250,000, 1.5 million, back to 100,000, whatever. Point is, we don't really know if utilization is 100%. This, that, third, the cost to borrow, whatever. Cost to borrow actually creeps up on GameStop well more frequently than AMC. 150,000 shares available to borrow against GameStop, but much smaller float, so keep that in mind. See, same with the option chain over here, except calls are actually dominating over the puts, right? 4,000 to 1,000, and then you have 36 to 15, so about double in both aspects. Let's see, short exempts creeping up a little bit for the 18th of April on GameStop. GameStop getting a nice little push. Where's the 18th at? 18th. Guys, you see this? You see this bloody day, right, yesterday? You know, from 151 to 137. $13 dip. And, I mean, you can see it over here. It's where short exempts creep up. Last time you saw 3,000 was on the 8th. Over 3,000 was on the 8th. Now, if you come back to the 8th, they tried to shoot us down here. And then we held again at 142. Yesterday, there wasn't enough volume for us to even be able to hold. But it does look like we're holding around the same level every time, right? We're trying to on GameStop. Right around this area. My drawings are hidden. Jeez, we got a lot of drawings here. This dip below is nice on GameStop right here, right? The dip below its overall respective trend line. Because if we look at it, let's see. Yo, what's good, Leroy? Leroy, you missed a little bit, but not much. Honestly, not much. But I can tell you that you did miss. But hold on, guys. This dip below this overall trend, like we were talking about, we're gonna come correlate this. Okay. Leroy, super good quality. Merch store just launched down below. There's still a little bit of work to go on, but you can be early to it. I will be making a video on it. The link is down below. Now, guys, we're on the 30-minute. If you come back to, let's say, March, April, May. Okay, on the GameStop. Okay, we're on GameStop right now. If you come down to before the first run-up, let's compare what happened here, right? Same exact thing happened where it dipped below this trend line. If this is the spot we're looking at, GameStop's a little bit harder to read. An AMC. Hoping to see 19 end of day, 22 to 30 end of week. Yeah, I'm hoping to see if we break over 22 end of week, I'd say that's best case scenario. But honestly, closing above 19 and getting max pain will also be very decent for AMC. All right, guys, let's take the comparison on AMC. This is more like it. Okay, right before the run up to 70. You see these two little humps. We're on the 30-minute chart, right? These two little humps. Okay, focus on that. Keep that in the back of your head. And then this dip below its respective trend line, and then a curl up. Okay. Now, keep that in the back of your head, right? You compare this to now, trading in the same identical cycle. Let's come back to where we are now. Okay. Just poke it, right? Keep it very, very similar. Now you're getting this same thing happen right here. Remember, it's not perfect, but history does repeat itself. And you're dipping below its respective trend line. And you're also coming up on the fib time zones that have guessed the dates of the run-up, right? That have timed them perfectly. 1, 2, and we're coming right up on it. So I think all is good. All is good setting up for AMC. I like that sticker. Maybe if that can be on a beanie, that would be dope. Sounds good. Yeah, if you guys want to drop merch ideas down below, that'd be sick. But this is my absolute favorite one. The lighting isn't good in here. You're gonna see a full breakdown video probably tonight or tomorrow on the merch, and I'll show you it in light. But the mug is super sick, especially if you have morning coffee, morning tea, whatever. The mug is nasty, super sick. Okay, I'm still in drawing mode. Let's move this. Let's head back over to, okay, AMC still getting a push here, up 5.64%. GameStop up 6.25% here. AMC currently high of the day 1849, currently trading at 1847. GameStop high of the day 150.83, currently trading at 150.30. Looks like they're just taking a little bit of a breather here. If GameStop started to come down, you're looking for it to hold around 148.65. And for AMC, if it started to come down, you're looking for it to hold around the 1820s. Looking for a bounce around there, 1820 to 1825. Wish I could show you which one. I'm at work right now, but I'm wearing my AMC sweater. Damn, that's fire. That's fire. Send it on Twitter if you want, but I know you're at work, so it's all good. But that's dope. That's fire. You're wearing it to work. That's sick. Come on, AMC, make a new high here. Email, I'll send you a pic. Yeah, if you actually... Email is easier to explain. But I believe if you go on the store... Yo, it's good one to watch, bro. If you want to check out the store, link down below. We just threw it out there, but it is in beta. Hey, if you go actually, Leroy, to the link and press contact us down here, it's way easier than me explaining the email. But the email will pop up, and that's my go-to email, so I'll see it if you want to send the picture there. All right, new highs on AMC 1853, currently up 5.84%, trading at 1850. GameStop is not getting this breakout yet. I want to watch 151 on GameStop. If we break over that, that'll be nice. AMC's coming up on resistance here. You want it to break over 1860. 1860 will be nasty. Let's get this out of the way here. Welcome. Yes, welcome. Come on, Amy. Get moving. I don't have any social media. Hey, Leroy, if you can hear me, there's a link. There's a link below that'll take you to the email. Leroy. If you go down below, it's going to say merch store. You click the link and scroll all the way down to contact us. It's my go-to email. It's my, it's the one I'll check. I'll definitely check it every day, every other day. AMC now up 6%, 6.06%. New high of the day, 1854. Still moving, not taking a breather. Sup, bro? What's good, Keith? What do you think? Okay, new high on the day for AMC, 1857. Oh, that voice crack was crazy. Which link for your email? Press the merch store link. Scroll all the way down to contact us. But what do you think AMC peak on the rip would be? What do I think AMC peak on the rip would be? All right, if you're talking about next leg up and not like, you know, MOAS to squeeze, whatever, it's hard to give you a level, but let's just base it off of, I'm just going to base it off of the scale we're at, right? So everyone's comparing cycles. So if you're going to compare the cycle, you had about a 65% move, 70% move, and then about a 20% dip to a 520% run up, right? So if we're just going to compare this, you had about 150% move, so triple, and then you had about a 50% sell off. So we'll say probably a solid 900, 1200% move if we're going to be basing it off of history, right? You're looking at somewhere around low 200s. Remember, this is just simply just basing it off of moves because I don't know, you know, it's hard to tell if the next leg up is going to be, if shorts are going to cover. Is it just a leg up? What is it? I want to watch. Need a lottery stocks T-shirt. Yeah, I'll throw those up there. I don't know. I didn't think of putting it up there because it's like, I don't know. I figured like who. I don't know. I guess. I was like, who's gonna wear that? Because you know. I guess you're not representing a stock you're in, but that is true. I mean, even if people don't know, right? Like the channel name just sounds like you just gamble stocks, lottery stocks, like on a shirt. They're gonna be like, oh, shit, yo, you trade stocks. They're not gonna be like, oh, that YouTube channel. No, yeah, that's true. But yeah, I'll throw one up there tonight. One to watch. Your idea. You tell me what colorways you want the shirts and what print, what color print. Let's see. I just see a merch stream email. Here, Leroy. I'll actually type it in the chat for you. Here we go. My call's up 8%. My call's up 8% up just now. Dude, that's fire. That's fire. On what? You on AMC? You got calls on AMC? Let's see. Thanks. No problem. Let's see. Did I miss any? Oh, I just bought 5 $20 calls expiring 4/29. I'm crazy. Oh yeah. We'll see. That'd be nuts if you hit those. That'd be nuts if you hit those. Stratopar, I hope I answered something for you. Let's see. Calls. I don't think my calls are up because I bought them a bit ago on AMC. The thing is, I like this move. It's following the cycles. It's following the cycles to the T, but I kind of want the SPY to sell off here. The SPY's not... Still, it's a good day, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. It hasn't broken anything. It hasn't broken any type of trend here. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm going to keep the stream going, but I'm going to go grab some quick lunch, come back, right? Probably not going to be too long. And then we're going to stay back. We're going to stay on the stream, so feel free to pop out, pop back in. Let's see. One to watch. I'm playing SoFi puts, but moving too slow. That's the classic AMC pattern on Amy. Oh, yeah. SoFi. How's SoFi doing? Ooh, puts. You are doing good, but yeah, is moving a bit slow. But honestly, this doesn't look good at all. I think, yeah, you're good to go. SoFi puts. Although you don't know what the bottom is, that's like the only worry I would see on this. You don't know what the bottom is. But yeah, you're definitely good. Honestly, literally the safest investment, if anyone always wants to make money, the safest investment is just always puts on Hood. Like, such a shitty company. Anytime I've ever played puts on this, I've made money. But alright guys, we will be... Don't short my SoFi. Oh no, you guys can argue in the chat about that. I'm not in. GameStop, AMC getting a little bit smacked. Leroy, I'm going to check my email, but we are going to be right back. The stream's going to stay on. So, yeah, we're just going to hide this and then mute real quick, and I'll be right back. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hi, Dean. How you doing? We're back here. We are back, and AMC made a new high, 1870. GameStop, 150.94, but we gotta get it over 151. To all the people who stayed in the chat, appreciate you guys staying in the chat, staying in the stream. Yeah, well, there was something that I believe came out while I was eating for a bit. Something to do with Elon Musk. Let's check it out. Social media's platform policies are good if the most extreme 10% on the left and right are equally happy. I'm still here, sir. What's good, Droobs White? Glad to hear that you are still here. The loud extreme people are dumb as fuck. Everyone should celebrate them being mad and stop catering to them. Musk willing to invest. Oh, we already read that. I could throw in 15. BMW says Tesla's electric vehicle dominance is over. Whoa. BMW Group sales boss Peter Noda believes Tesla had a unique selling point for quite some time, but that's over. Dave Lauer. To Gary Gensler. Almost 70,000 have signed this. Holy shit. Guys, go give this a sign. I just retweeted it. Warner Bros. Discovery has suspended all external marketing spend for CNN and has laid off CNN's longtime CFO and ways. What are these? Are these most active still moving? Jeez. Alright, let's check it out. CMPI. No fucking way that's up that much. Oh, that was that weird ass one. I don't even want to look at this. What was SSTS or something? No. STSS maybe? Yeah, Sharp Technology. Did this get the bounce? Not quite yet. Well, PTPI was moving. PTPI holding at the level. Holding at the level we said did want to see. Okay. Starting to curl back up. PTPI doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad here. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit of a move. New high on AMC 1871, up 7% on the day. Beautiful thing to see. You want to see this slow grind. Leroy, I'm here, bro. I appreciate you staying in, Leroy. How you doing, bro? How's work going? Just working. Oh, yeah, working. Working, hanging out, chilling in the warehouse. Right. 1874 new high for AMC. This thing doesn't want to stop pushing. I want to see how close BBIG and Mullen are to their cycle period. Okay, I think BBIG, this is probably the best time to have jumped in BBIG. Well, there's a plane going over. Right here where you're at. BBIG, this is probably the best time to accumulate shares on this. The fact that we're calling out April 25th to May 10th for AMC, let's see what this would look like. Okay, we need another one of these. May 10th. This is beautiful. Okay, if you don't know, BBIG, MULN goes through these cycles as well. Okay, comes down and it rips, right? You see this happen multiple times. Comes down, rips. The same cycle plays out, and it's identical. And I do think BBIG is getting ready for that next rip. Mullen's going for the rip as well. Cycle here is playing out. This is a beautiful spot around this zone to grab Mullen. Not only that, but as you can see just now, it's hugging this support level over here. which is this the low of the stock? No, well, obviously the low is down here at about 46 cents. But this is a beautiful thing to see. Mullen goes through the same cycle. This is a great time, in my opinion, to accumulate Mullen and BBIG shares and or monthly calls. So those are some nasty plays to watch out for. Hey, what's good? How you doing? Let's see. I do have a question, though. Those dates you said in that same time, do you see the market crashing? The dates between April 25th and May 10th, do I see the market crashing? Well, let's set it up. First of all, I think the market crashing would be a bit longer lasting than these dates. Okay, I don't know why this won't let me. There we go. Wouldn't let me line it up. May 10th. No, I don't see it crashing. I personally, I don't see any sign of the market rebounding yet because we haven't broken out of this trend line. Okay, so right now the projection around that time frame, is anywhere from 437.65 to as low as you can go, honestly, because the SPY could just do this tomorrow, right? And then hold this support level. I'd say anywhere from 438 to 420, that $18 zone on the SPY, by the time that comes, unless you get a breakout of this overall downtrend that you see. Hypnotic, what stock should I buy right now then? I can't tell you what to buy. I definitely can't tell you what to buy because I'm not a financial advisor. But great time, in my opinion, for myself to start grabbing MULN, ticker symbol MULN, and ticker symbol BBIG. Let's see. I only asked that because everyone's thinking we need a crash to squeeze. No, we don't need a crash, but the thought process is when Volkswagen moved, you saw this, and then the squeeze happened. And in this period, right, say this is Volkswagen, in this period, the market did this, right? The market heavily sold off because, hedge funds, institutions, short sellers, whatever you want to call them, right? Their long positions it's harder to outweigh, the loss they're taking on their long positions in the overall market, right? Amazon, Google, Apple, investments in the S&P 500 in general, right? It's harder for them to hedge against that with just these, little side plays, these medium, small cap stocks. So then what happens is they're getting really close to margin calls, and as the market sinks more, this happens, of course, the major move. But I don't think you definitely don't need a market crash. You don't need a market sell-off. I mean, if you just take a look, right? This 600% gain on AMC, you're looking at end of May, early June. If you look at the SPY, May, June, okay? This is the time period that happened. Absolutely no signs of a market dump at all, right? And you saw that 600% gain, so I don't think you need them. I definitely don't think so. Gotcha. What stock has a higher ceiling when it runs? BBIG or Mullen? Let's see. Depends on what way you want to look at it. I think, let's just look at, okay, take a look, 763, just to get a little bit of an idea where things could go, right? 7 again, hold on. I think, yeah, honestly, just based off, not even just based off of that, but I think Mullen is probably going to move higher, personally, than BBIG. But BBIG is still well up there with it at the same time. But I think Mullen has a little bit more corruption inside, and, you know, is a little bit more clamped down, and when this thing releases, it's going to be fire under their ass. So I think Mullen probably has a little bit of a higher ceiling. But definitely both of them I think are going to do good. And honestly, if this cycle pans out identical, I really want to just see what happens, right? I want to see what happens next. Because how long can these cycles play out with, you know, Law stepping in or shorts actually covering positions, like all shorts covering positions. Let's see how AMC 1885. We weren't even taking a look at it, and this thing has been moving. We took a little. AMC, for all the audio listeners, up 7.72%, trading at 1883. High on the day of 1885. GameStop did get rejected at 151, but it did tap it as the high on the day, up 6.52%. And it's going for another push there. Let's see, the SPY is kind of hanging flat, and both of these are still moving, so this is a good thing to see. This shows the disconnect between the SPY moving and the cycle period that AMC and GameStop are actually in. So I like to see that. BBIG, I would imagine. It's been suppressed for so long. Yep. BBIG as well. BBIG as well. Let's see here. PTPI. Wonder if anything is odd with PTPI as well. I'd say this is where shit hit the fan right here. PTPI looks like it wants to do something like this, right? Come back down. So in a little bit of, you know, some late stages here. PTPI is probably going to get a little choppy soon, right? PTPI is going to may or may not get a little choppy. Sandy Smith, good afternoon. Do you think AMC is going back to under 18 today? I do not. But let me get a closer look before I really answer that. Oh, 18? You know, it could, but I don't personally think so. I think you're moving into the cycle. I think definitely, you know, tomorrow it could move back under 18 depending on if the cycle is delayed. But we're coming up to test this $19 level that it got rejected at before. I think today is just a cool off, but you do have a nasty George W forming. Let's pull up the 5 minute. Check out this George W forming right here. Beautiful, beautiful, right? And what this is going to indicate is something like this. Okay? This is on the smaller time frame, a smaller look at things. And if that's the case, you're probably going to come up to test 1935. Then you have 20 to watch out for. 20 is going to be a level. About 20 and 2002. And then honestly, I'd say 20 is going to just be a little hiccup, so we can take that out there. But think 22 is a major level to break over right now. So I think this George W is going to push us over 1935, and we'll see where we go from there. But ultimately, just based off of like cycles, you're expecting, you know, some sort of a slow chop period, you know, until a move up around this time frame. Thank you, no problems, Amy. Harry Pineapple, hey bro, what's good, bro? Harry Pineapple, I know you're in the streams a lot, so I'll let you know, but these fit really well, really nice. Did just launch a merch store, gonna add to it. You know, it's in a little bit of an early version, but if you want to be the first one to hop in there, the link is down below. I will be making a video about it. And I also have my favorite product right here that I will show in a later video, which is the mug that's in the store. Which is super fire. Super, super fire. AMC taking a little bit of a breather here. As long as we come down and hold around 1865, Amy may want another push here. We've got about an hour and 12 minutes until market close. Let's get this up. Let's change this out for this. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. Awesome, man. Well done. Getting merch out there. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Actually, we don't need this plugged in yet. Set that up like that. Alright, cool. Come on, Amy. Amy, GameStop. Where's GameStop here? We're still on the SPY. GameStop is trying to fight that level. See how the volume's looking on these. Let's check AMC first. AMC's been doing this, right? I believe same with GameStop. You know, let's take a look on the bigger perspective. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of normal, but you see where the dips in volume? Right? Die down of volume, lining up with what we're looking for to be a major rip, right? Volume exhaustion, another key thing to look at. And also, honestly, you could just see the dips in the price action with the volume, right? You know, let's match it up. Let's match it up here. Dip, peak, right? But then you saw it hang on here. Saw it really hang on, but it tried to dip, peaked, tried to dip, large dip here. Is it like a... Yeah, okay. Well, we'll just remove all this one by one here. Waiting to see if Mullen wants to drop a little more. Yeah, it could. I'll tell you my thoughts if I see Mullen, if Mullen's gonna drop a bit more. I'm gonna come back to the daily. Take a look at this. Okay. Let's head over to Mullen. Yeah, Mullen. You want to see what how it reacts to this level. Let's pull it up. Let's pull it up here too. Barcoding a little bit. Yeah, but Mullen, honestly, This gap is filled. I'd say that gap is filled. Mullen's now at this level that you want to watch. I would wait to see its reaction, right? If you get back above, if Mullen gets back above $2.13, hopefully doesn't get rejected here, right? Let's see. If Mullen gets back above about 220, I'd say it's probably not going to dip lower. But if it drops under $1.50, then yeah, it's probably going to sell off. You got $1.30 and then 99 cents or so, 86 until you bottom out 70, 51. And we'll see. I would watch for the reaction between 220 and $1.50. GameStop is trying here. AMC trying as well, with the SPY staying stagnant. GameStop closes at 152.30. It respected its trend for the entire day. 152.30 or above. AMC could close at about 1860 and still respect its trend line all day. You know, if this were to break below, I think you got some support at 1825, between 1825 and 18, that whole 25-cent zone. But it's selling off right now. I think AMC could hold this level at where it recently cooled off. Maybe get another push, but it doesn't have to. This could definitely trade sideways for the rest of the day and respect the overall trend line, right? Be nice to see as well. Wonder if BBIG. I don't know. I don't know if BBIG is going to continue dipping. This is very interesting. We're going to just correlate it, right? $32. Ooh, very, very close. About 32% drop right here, and you're already at a 31 and getting that bounce. I'd be very careful. Look how identical these setups are to BBIG. You're seeing these candles right here. It's indicating a reversal, especially when you have a hammer candle and then a big green one next to it. I think BBIG is going to have a good week for itself. At least a good week or a good next week for itself. I think BBIG is looking really solid here. This is the same thing. Okay. This setup. Ultimately, right here at a much smaller scale. Right. BBIG is looking for it. BBIG is looking for that move. Getting very interesting. Very interesting. I want to check up on Sundial. Sundial's creeping up as well. You know, it's not looking too bad. You know, I don't see much to correlate Sundial to. I mean, except if you wanted to look at this, right? And then the move. That's really all I see if you're gonna do anything, right? step up. Overall trend line will move. Hello, a little bit late. It's all good, Smith. Smith, we're not going to really talk about it because we're going to go over it in probably tonight's video. I have a video on it. But merch store, link down below. Super good fitting mug, awesome. 2 favorite products right here. Got some dry powder on the sidelines. Ooh, good luck, Leroy. Yeah, I really, if I were to put out a play of the week, you know what? We'll set that up. We'll set that up. Set that up tonight after, maybe a little bit more of some digging here. But for you guys, MULN and BBIG, I think those are hot. Those are about to get hot. Hot. Yeah, AMC is bouncing off of this here. It looks like it doesn't want to cool off here. Maybe it'll trade sideways or even get another push. But you'd really want to, it's fighting resistance right now. The next stop is between 19 and 1930. I don't know. I don't know what AMC wants to do. Even if today cools off for the rest of the day, I think it's beautiful. I think it's a beautiful thing to see because you're still getting that nasty George W on the 5-minute. You could probably look at it on a couple other charts as well, but big old George W here on the AMC, and it's following its cycle, right? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Perhaps a mistake, but I'm holding my CI still. Didn't CI run today, or you bought in today? What was your mistake? Let's actually take this over here. CI's moving a bit. Are you up on CI? One second. We good. Bought in at... Wait. Bought in months ago, Smith. If you don't mind, what's your average? You up or you down? Leroy, I sold my CI at 106. Good price. That's right around the resistance that it sees. It makes support right here. That's a key level. It's a good level to sell at, honestly. Very good level to sell at. Bought it for a great return. Nice, nasty. Nasty. Smith, I don't know. Hopefully you're doing good on that. AMC's fighting right here. Looks like it's going to break below. But hopefully we get it to hold. There's just not much volume. It's just camping. Volume's just camping out here. I'm up around 98 cents, still holding to at least 120. Alright, good luck, man. Good luck. Yeah. If you get a break over that 106, then you should see 120. You should see that. I don't know. I've probably evened out on CDI between calls, winning and losing. I don't know. I don't really touch it anymore. Yeah. CDI can definitely get whippy. Depending on price action today and maybe tomorrow, I'll make a decision on BBIG or Mullen. Currently, I have 1,054 shares of BBIG. Damn, that's fire. That's fire. You're looking good on BBIG then. See, this is the zone we talked about. I forgot I even charted this on my Webull. But we talked about this zone, right? When it was trading up here. And actually it worked to a T. And it's like I'm surprised, but I'm not. This is how awesome you can time cycles and how perfect you can time cycles. At any entrance in this box, right? If I got in any time in this box, we'll say I wouldn't catch the peak low, so we'll say I got it at 2.4 just based off of that. Already up, 11.5%, 11%. Beautiful. Oh, we're on the 5s here. Okay, we want our girl Amy back up here. Bothering me. Okay. I like this curling up on AMC. But on the daily, I want AMC to get over, well, first key level, 1930. Yeah, 1930 and 22 are both of the levels you want to see. Also, closing above 19 for Max Payne Friday. Yeah, that's more than likely best case scenario for AMC. It's so interesting just looking off of the setup, and we've talked about it so many times, but just looking at this, right? And then looking at this and saying, wow, we got a breakout of this overall downtrend. We got a breakout of this overall downtrend. And then the way things are lining up is just insane. It really is. How identical the setups are. Just every time I look at it, it's like, wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. My friend just bought 100 $1 calls on XELA. What's up with that stock? What about Prague? XELA. I know that's one that just likes to run at some points here. Here we'll do the short perspective of XELA. AMC breaking below that. Hopefully we hold. We'll do the short term on this. Looks really choppy. Looks like no volume. Very terrible volume on XELA. I want to take a look at the bigger perspective. We're on the daily right here. XELA looks like it's bottomed out. I assume that's where he based buying his calls from. It's completely bottomed out right now. You're timing the bottom. Okay, so he's risking. He doesn't think this stock's going to go any lower, and it's going to bounce off of his bottom. So you have pretty much, if he's correct on that, you have no risk here. But let's see, XELA, 95 cents. This is another one of those squeeze plays, but I think it's less paid attention to. But check this out. It has the same exact cycles as BBIG and Mullen. You can see them lining up right here. You can see the same cycles follow through. Look at this, the sell-off right here. It's very, they're smaller, they're in different perspectives, they're in different views, but overall they do the same thing at the end here. XELA is just another, shorted stock, shorted company. One of these little plays. I do believe this this is one that could be running the same cycles. This one's not too pretty, what you're looking at. I'm not sure. See, last time it bottomed out, started creeping up. This could be the start, right? This could be the start here. Could be the start. I don't know. It's nothing I would touch unless I had free money to just slap in. But I could definitely move with the other ones. Prague. I liked Prague. Let's take a look at Prague here on the daily. Prague's also another one of these companies. I haven't checked or tested any type of cycles on Prague, but honestly, I'd say this is more key level than those. Prague's almost bottomed out as well. Prague and XCLA are both. But overall, you can see it's not looking good. None of these are looking good, and none of these are necessarily long-term plays here. But you could catch a quick cycle on one of these. We need a smaller time frame here. 30 minutes. No, let's do the 1 hour. I don't know about Prague. I think it's gonna wake up out of nowhere, but I don't think I'd reinvest into Prague, to be honest. Honestly, I don't know. If I were to, it would be now, though. If I were to invest into Prague, it'd be very, very soon. But chances are it's coming down to, 90 cents. Just about there. You got about 7 cents left, and that 7-8 cents left. I'd probably grab it at 90, to be honest. Prague. And then I don't think you're risking much. I don't think this stock, personally, I don't think it belongs under $1 as a company, but it's just not something that I would personally want to play unless I had extra capital. I definitely don't think this stock belongs under $1. So at $1, I'd say this is more or less a little bit less risky investment than on the small cap plays. Right? You could get an easy 77%, 103, 170, 200, 293, 238. Yeah, I don't know. And honestly, Prague can break out of this at any moment. I don't think it's too risky. I'm just not going to jump in here. Do you have a long-term opinion on Canoe? Not happy with company management, but love the vehicles. Oh wait. GOEV. This the one you're talking about? I've heard of this. Let's see. I'm gonna give you my perspective from a chart standpoint. So whatever I say, not fundamentals. Okay. I'm gonna look at this for a minute here. All right. Honestly, if you're talking about long-term investment, I don't like it. I'm gonna be honest. And this is just because if you just look at it, this isn't a company you want to have as a long-term investment. Just based off of the chart, remember, I don't know the fundamentals on it, so you could be like, well, they have this, that, and you could be definitely right. But right now, this weakness in this chart does not look good. It does not. You know, every time you've tested an uptrend, it was broken right here. And overall, it just doesn't look good. Broken again. Although, right here, it is flattening out. I'd say if I was to jump in, if I had to jump in this company, I'd jump in on a break over 647. I'd hop in. But right now, I would not, because you don't know what this thing's going to fall to. I mean, this is the lowest it's been at. Yeah, I wouldn't try and time the bottom, but if I were to get in, it'd have to be after a break over 647. I wouldn't hop in. Smith, he says K. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't want you to think you have a bad hold here. I'm just giving my honest opinion on the chart. This doesn't look healthy for long term. BB Blackberry. What do you think about BB Blackberry? Blackberry is another stock that has its runs with all the small caps, and I actually like this. I don't think Blackberry is too bad here. Let's add a support right now, and then you're looking here. Looks like Blackberry actually. I don't know if this gap was filled back here. Looks like it filled some sort of a gap on Blackberry. Let me check on the label. It looks like it could have filled a gap on Blackberry, which I like right here. Could have filled it. But I don't know. It's not too much. Right now, it's looking good. It's looking like it's moving with AMC, GameStop, whatever else, Mullen, BBIG, right? Broke out of this downtrend and it's coming back to retest this trend line. If you get another bounce from where it's at, I think Blackberry's good. It's looking good. It's looking decent, right? Because you have come up and bounce off of this trend line, come up again, trend line. So overall, if you see another bounce, it's indicating solid uptrend. Blackberry's looking decent. It's not looking too bad here. And I do think it potentially follows in cycles as well. You know, just based off of this ugly ass chart. This dip, the rip. You see him a lot. You see him often. Let's see. Not in yet. Just think they're truck rocks. GOEV. Listen, if you're one of the people who are early in this and you know what the company can do, then that's definitely nasty. That's crazy, right? You could be early, and you know, the more people that see what you see in the company could start investing, and you could have gotten in down here. That's up to you if you want to risk it. But if it breaks over 647, I think it's not a terrible time to jump in, but it is risky as well. I would wait for it to break this overall trend line. Let's see. You say the floor is on XELA. Looking at XELA, pretty sure the stock had no volume, but okay. Right now, XELA is very close to bottomed out. I would just say it's bottomed out right now. But that's the lowest it's been. So I don't know. This could definitely fall. I would watch a reaction to $0.22. Yeah, if it breaks below 22 cents, I would just wait. But right now, it's not looking too bad. XCLA doesn't look bad if it were to break over about 94 cents. Not a bad entry. 94 cents. Honestly, you're not risking much at that point. Leroy. How's AMC doing? Is this thing? Let's see. We'll put GME up. Okay, AMC. Looking good. AMC's getting another push as we speak. Good time to look at it. Getting some boom boom candles right here. GameStop is trying to respect its overall trend line here. It's getting a little sloppy now. Broke below, but it's not perfect. Hopefully it doesn't act as resistance right now. AMC is still holding strong. Or you're saying AY. Any opinion on SHIB coin? Shiba. Shiba, Shiba, Shiba. My personal opinion on Shiba is this is a waiting game. Absolute waiting game. It had a similar move to Dogecoin, right? This is Doge. And you look at Shiba. These are community-driven crypto plays. And honestly, I don't know. I don't know which one's going to catch a move first, but they definitely could. This is a very long-term flag. You know, depending on how much you have invested in this, the time to get out of Shiba would be I would get out if it broke below this personally. Just going by market cap. Okay. Don't know quite what level this is because it's going by market cap. Okay, US dollars. Okay, I don't know why this isn't changing for me. Okay. I don't know. I really do think it's just a waiting game, Harry Pineapple. I don't know how I don't have much to say about it. The community has to round up again. But what I can say is, if you were to see, you know, the community round up again, right? You more than likely the catalyst to move one of these things, move Doge, move Shiba, would be AMC getting that 500 to 1,000% move that you're seeing very, very close on. And the reason for that is this is one of the community-driven plays. Not only that, but a lot of people who jumped in aren't actually really, really invested in the stock market. They hop in these, you know, meme plays, whatever you want to call them. And I think a lot of people are going to load up on Shiba after that. So I think the community could drive it, as AMC or GameStop being the catalyst to actually move something like that. If you don't know the line of vehicles, check them out when you got nothing to. They are really doing some unusual stuff. Smith, I'll definitely, I'm going to try to remember that. GOEV stock, Canoe. I'm going to try to remember to look into that with a little extra time. But if you want to send me anything, or send me any links, right? That would definitely be cool. I'll drop the email again, just so I can look at them. But if you don't want to, it's all good. It's cool. But anything that you looked at that that'd be sick. I would say SHIB first because it's not inflationary like Doge. Yeah, I don't know. Between Sheeb and Doge, I couldn't really answer on those, right? I mean, Doge, you have Elon to really pump up, but I think that wave kind of died down, unless Elon came out and just said buy Dogecoin or something crazy like that. Yeah, I agree on AMC first. It's where the meme coin holders went. Yeah, it's where a lot of people, because there's a lot of people who like younger people as well. More than likely younger people who are like, yeah, I own Sheeb, I own Dogecoin because it's heard about everywhere. Same goes for, I don't like you own any stocks. No, I own AMC. I own AMC stock, whatever. That's like what you would hear generally from a community-driven stock, right? Not gonna hear the average person. Yeah, I have Tesla. Yeah, Doge is just looking identical to Shiba at this point. AMC getting rejected here again. GameStop getting up there, 151.63. That's what we like to see. Let's back. Let's check out Twitter. How's Twitter doing? Oh shoot! All right, 38 minutes of power hour here. Biden has said the second biggest reason for inflation is Putin. This is not a joke. Oh man, nah, I don't even think I want to comment on that. It's easier to blame. It's more fun for me now. Donald Trump has hit 1 million followers on Truth Social DWAC. He has posted once on the platform. Jeez. AMC, stay away from the options. Same play week after week. The pump, then the rug pull. We went over that. The alternative to not buying puts is don't play options. After AMC squeezes, I'm going to sleep for weeks. Deadass. Elon Musk launch tender offer for Twitter in the next 10 days or so, according to New York Post. Yeah, I heard Elon and Goldman Sachs are going in together now or something like that. Fed Evans says he's comfortable with two 50-point BPS hikes this year. 2? Whoa, 36 minutes ago. Is that legit news? What's the SPY doing? All right, we're gonna take out AMC for this one because GameStop's getting a little move on. SPY is cranking. What's going on with the SPY here? 445. This could be a very dangerous trap to hop in on the SPY, but at the same time, it's clearing its previous candles, which is risky to me. I'd watch a break over 446 would really probably trigger my belief here that the SPY is going to rebound. My only worry is Vitalik is developing Doge now, so I hope AMC pops before it has completed anything. Nah, I don't think people are gonna move money around. I don't know. So you want to add 2 here. Wicks. And then solid candles. Interesting. I think the SPY is going to come down from where it's at for the rest of the day. And you're going to see the wick show up on the daily. That's my best bet on the SPY here. It broke this resistance at 444, which is crazy. Can you look at MMAT? Ooh, I haven't heard that one in a long time. MMAT. Already, just based off of what I had to zoom out of. Looks like MMAT is playing cycles here, right? It's basing, you know. So. MMAT is basing here, where you saw in the past, something like this. Kind of seeing it again. MMAT risking. Okay, here's your risk on MMAT. Easy from where it's at. It's trading right here. Okay, you have about a 60% risk from what I can see on MMAT for worst case scenario. Rejections. For, I'd say you're about risking 60% for about 180, which is possible. It's possible. I mean, any upwards is possible. But honestly, MMAT's, I'd say this is about an even risk. Okay, so you have about a 55% both ways before you hit a support or before you hit some resistance here. So I think MMAT is your call here. If you get another bounce, I'd say healthy for MMAT. If you break this support, not good for MMAT. But at the same time, the way this is playing out with these little humps, right? It looks like it's playing out like a lot of other stocks, a lot of other plays. These little humps here. These cycles love to do that. The cycles, I don't know why, beats me, but you can see them in multiple plays here before they move. BBIG not looking so much. BBIG has its own little style here. How about Mullen? Kinda see it. Sundial. Kinda see it. How about PTPI, which is one that's moving right now? MMAT. I don't know. What my thoughts on MMAT are, I think it could move with everything else, the small medium caps when they get moving. I think it could have a high percentage move. But there's so many other plays around MMAT that, to me, it's probably, I don't know. Is it worth getting in or is it not? Because there's a lot more things that I'm a bit more confident in, like BBIG and Mullen. And they're around all the same price. That you're risking around all the same percentage gains. MMAT is a less looked at one, which, don't get me wrong, could definitely move, but I don't know. I have faith in this, but I would rather choose different investments that are going to make the same moves, if that makes sense. MMAT, I guarantee, I bet is going to move with the rest of them. I'm not saying it's not. I bet it will move. I love the way AMC's looking right now. I love this. It's curling up. And it got rejected exactly where we wanted it to break here. But the fact that it got rejected and slowed down, right, is something that you can expect to see, especially with the volume that it's trading at. Right? Not enough volume here on AMC. 27 million for the day, super low, extremely low. 1888, new high on AMC here. I can't believe this is still going. This is nuts. 8% on the day, up on AMC. 1890, new high on the day, new high for GameStop. 152.48, up 7.74%. Trading at 152.41 right now. For all the audio listeners here. GameStop and AMC are both having an 8% day as we speak, with about 27 minutes left of power hour. Okay, GameStop is cranking. GameStop is cranking right now. This is crazy. Now, shout out to let's see. Shout out to I forgot the fucking name. The way these cycles are playing out is actually nuts. Actually nuts. Because ultimately what you'd expect was... Okay, let me scroll out here, zoom out here. What was expected was an end of day rip, and you're literally seeing that come up here. If this comes up to resistance at 1935 by end of day, that'd be nuts. That'd be a major rip. That'd be a major rip. But right now, right, this is the completion. This is the completion of the George W here. Right where AMC's trading at. The big old George W completion. And hopefully this is going to prep us for a break through this 1935 like butter. That's what I'm hoping it preps us for. Like butter, like butter, like butter. Beautiful AMC, beautiful. 1885, they're cooling off a bit here. Hopefully AMC base is at about 1880. If it comes down to 1880, I won't be mad. Base is there at all. It's really respecting its trend today. Amy, really, really respecting its trend today. Let's see, you could draw one out here as well. Oh man, Weeble fucking makes me so aggravated. You guys get the point here. We have two supports ready for AMC. GameStop is... This one's just weird. This is just... I like that it broke over 151. I really wanted to base here. AMC 1891. I don't want to make the big 19 call out yet. Not quite yet. Let's say what this is where GameStop really got cranking here. Okay. 1891 high of the day. Still hanging there. Up 8.11% here. Let's see, what else is moving? Is PTPI still moving? Okay, PTPI is selling off a bit. Mullen. BBIG, let's check it out. BBIG. Frog. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna have some shit to go over tonight. We are gonna have some stuff to go over tonight. It's gonna be very, very interesting. Oh my god. The pattern's crazy on AMC. Right, let's overlay AMC. Okay, and then let's see. What do we want to do to this? copy. How do I get this at a different time frame? That's what I'm wondering. I want this on a different time frame here. Let's close this out. Add AMC, new price scale. Is that going to work? Settings. Price line, no. Okay. I don't think this is going to work here, which is aggravating. If you guys know how to copy and paste these over each other, so I can show you where the cycles are at, that'd be amazing. But for some reason, can't. All right, we're gonna use one of these bad boys. No, not this. We're gonna use one of these bad boys to pull AMC a bit. Come on, baby. Let's go. Get pulling. Get pulling, Amy. We got the magnets up. We're good to go. And we'll take one of these too. Let's go, Amy. We'll leave the magnet there for now. AMC's hanging out here. Is it basing off 1880? It's trying to. I want it to hold here. It's trying. Let me know of any, if you guys have any tickers you want to look at. Feel free. On the 5 minute, let's go to the 30. Oh, this is looking so nasty. So nasty. Right, some sort of move up, something crazy. I think it's gonna be that at a much higher scale. What's good, Gary? How's it going, bro? Mr. 5K Lotto. Not yet, not yet. I was driving earlier, couldn't watch, but had your stream on the whole time. Damn, bro, I appreciate that. So you heard about the link, the merch. You know, it's in a very early version, so we're gonna have a video about it. But whoever was on the stream heard about it, so that's what we got rocking with so far. The merch is now out and available to cop. Oh, why is this? Let's see here. AMC's still cooling off. AMC's still cooling off a bit here. What's the SPY doing? The SPY's still cranking. Until a break over 446, I'm still calling bullshit on the SPY. No, it went in and out of reception. Oh, well, this is one of the t-shirts. Super good quality. I don't know how good you can see it, but we're gonna have a whole video on it tonight. I ordered my personal 2 favorite products, the mug that I will show you in tonight's video. But yeah, the merch is now up. The link is down below. I still have a little bit of work to do on the website, but whoever was in live stream, definitely have access to it earlier. Dope. Appreciate it, bro. So good. We'll catch later vid. Sounds good. The later video is probably gonna consist of plays of the week. Also going into next week, consist of AMC and where AMC is going to go, in my opinion. And yeah, the merch. That's probably gonna be the big breakdown for tonight here. Right now is time to hang back and relax with the 15 minutes of power hour we have with Waller. Okay, AMC's selling off. We wanted to hold this overall trend line, but this is the first level. This is fine. Honestly, if AMC sells off and closes at 1860 like we said before, that's perfectly fine. But it could also hold this level here. That's fine. I assume this is correlating over to GameStop. SPY getting smacked at the same time. I mean, you could say this overall day was because of the SPY. It followed the SPY. But the fact that AMC is staying identical in its cycle is crazy. Definitely nuts. Ooh. Big old volume candle. $385,000. Someone just sold. Sold out. Sold out. Let's see. Yeah, we want AMC to hold here. We do. GameStop's chilling. If GameStop's holds 151, I'll be psyched for the day. We have 16 minutes left of power hour. Let's see what Twitter has going for us really quick. We'll catch the pop if AMC and GameStop start popping again. BRQS complete DD thread for everyone to review. BRQS apparently True Demon's looking at. Let's pull it up for fun. Pull it up for fun and pull it up on the day chart. Okay. Whoa. This thing is getting fucking obliterated. Oh yeah. Looks like the same shit as every other play we do have. I don't even think there's a point to do personally. I mean, no, there's definitely a point, but DD on stocks like this, and then BBIG, you can kind of just tell based off of the chart. You know, like cycles coming, something of that nature. MULN, not so much BBIG, but you can look at MULN as well. Let's see, we'll go to the weekly so we can see a bit more. Why are my charts doing this to me? It's really bothering me. Yeah, stocks like this, it's in that same exact cycle. Whatever. You guys get the gist. You guys get the gist here. We're still on the weekly with AMC, but this is looking good. This is looking super strong. Super strong on AMC. I'm liking it. There we are. Here we are. Okay. Anything going on here? AMC's holding that level. Good thing to see. Very, not much volume. AMC and GameStop, really no volume. This is the I'm working on lately. This is regarding ticker BRQS before beginning. This is not financial advice, and this trade is very high risk by all accounts based on both fundamental and technical analysis. This will be long, bear with me. You can take a look here, might as well. Okay. It's got this little technical formation. Okay, BRQS or Borks Technologies is an LLC Internet of Things software company focused on building smart hardware and embedded technology. Their microcap small float, which has at least 162 million shares outstanding, and has been struggling with this financing for years. They are currently working on entering the EV space by designing and manufacturing hardware for EV chargers and smart home products for average consumers to capture a portion of the growing EV market. It is a good space to get into, given recent events. Unfortunately, it has been struggling financially for the long term. Received a financing agreement from a familiar face. Those of you who Ben and Mullen likely know this figure. Okay, acquisition agreement form convertible or back. Yeah, this Holy shit, you got a lot to read into. Reverse split or some other mechanism to restore its share price above $1 for 30 consecutive days. Now here's the shit that gets interesting. Trading for a bot picked up a massive surge as buying volume accumulation and short exempts on BRQS in the past trading week. Something is going on with this particular ticker that smells like bullshit. Even the MACD long slope to the downside is so severe that this cross could signal a massive reversal by itself, but it came out of nowhere. Some big institutions are leveraging positions here. What I'm observing in BRQS is something well known in the financial industry among malicious shorts is known as seller boxing, which is a situation in which a stock is pushed down below the dollar listing requirements and it gets pummeled to death by arbitrage via shorting. And that's what they attempted to do to AMC. The result is that the company is eventually delisted once it cannot survive the onslaught anymore, runs out of financing options. Yeah, that's where shorts win. But in this situation, in which retail is capable of taking control back from the institutions, while the price is still low, it is possible for retail investors to purchase the entire company for $30 million and exhaust the entire supply. This is just a mathematical fact. For $1 billion, someone can purchase a 3.5 stake in the company. 1K buys 5,000 shares. The market makers are the ones playing this game and helping financiers hold this company down underwater and drowning it so they can profit from the arbitrage using short exempts. But if retail screws up shares, the company can be swept up. Okay, so retail can save this and kind of pull a Mullen, I think. What happened with Mullen stock. So again, that's BRQS. If you guys do want to see this, I'll retweet his DD if you guys want to go read it. You can go look on my profile or his. Let's see. Paying attention, Elon Musk. Extremely concerning. Who is pushing this censorship? Very shadowy. Whoever owns social media. Dumped. Yeah. People are thinking Elon Musk dumped his Twitter shares. Not seeing much happen right now on Twitter. Let's hop back over here real quick. Fed Evans don't see any need for Fed hikes larger than 50 BPS. Okay, AMC bounced off of that level at 1860, 1862. GameStop's curling back up. Both of them curling back up here. Looking good for end of day. SPY still moving. I'm watching that 446. check if any updates came through. Oh, now 200,000 was 250. Let's check for call to put. Now 5,000 to 1,000 calls to put in the money. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Okay, good thing to see. Remember max pain on AMC 19 for the week. 1.8 million shares. This was 1 million. So it looks like less are available for GameStop. More are available for AMC, which is very interesting here. 18,000 calls in the money. 11,000 puts. Okay, we went over the short exempts here. Let's see. So, Crane. Yeah, I don't know. This little increase or push you're seeing on the SPY could be temporary, but who knows? It is earnings season, so some of these could definitely be pushing it. Let's see how Tesla's doing. Tesla's up 2.25%. Beautiful day for Tesla. How about Twitter? Twitter, TWTR, smacked, down 4.4%. But I mean, if Elon sold off, this is still kind of hanging out pretty well. I think people are hoping for a little bit of a bounce to get out at a little bit of a higher price. I don't know if that's going to come, but we will see for all of the Twitter holders right now. GameStop and AMC can both hold 7% days. That'd be nasty. That would be nasty to see. Let's correlate something here. Let's stay on the 5-minute actually. It's going to take a bit, but okay, we'll go to the 15-minute. Okay. What's up with my chart? What's going on with my chart here? Is this frozen? Or did I go back way too far? Okay, I'm confused now. Confused now, man. Won't let me go back. Let's see. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Want it to be here. I want it to be on the 15. Well, I know it's going to take me back here. January, December, November, October, let's do it, August, July, and then it won't let me look. It won't let me look right here for some reason. How far back is it taking me? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. A little odd, but holy shit. Okay, AMC is at its second trend line here. It just tested it once. It's coming to test it again. You want to see this hold into close. Honestly, if not, it's cool. It respected the trend line all day. Seriously, well, on the 1 minute at least. 1 minute, 2 minute charts. But you saw how it perfectly happened, right? It broke through, made resistance, and then now it's creating some support off of this trend line. This looks like how we're going to end the day out here. Unless you see some sort of bullshit ass slaughtering red candles, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're going to keep in mind of the numbers here. We will keep in mind of these numbers. Okay, we'll go to those. Oh my gosh. Look at this dumbass. Speaking of this dumbass, Gary Gensler, if you want to get the Where's Gary hats, feel free to do so. The link is down below. This guy sits on his ass all day. Congrats, Gary. SEC Ethics Office voted most useless office in America. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's legit news, but it should be. That's fucking hilarious. That is fucking hilarious. AMC's popping off this level. Why does this keep stopping? Okay, is that the video? Shout out this. This is the most chill lo-fi. It's always live if you guys want to hop in. Time to usually go to bed. 12 to 2. Come on, Amy. Come on, baby. Get the last push. Minute and a half left on the day. For the people who have been in here all day, you guys are awesome. You guys are dope. Come on, hold up here. Alright, 1 minute left of Power Hour. 1 minute before market close. AMC getting a little bit of a pop here. I want to focus on these two, but I also want to check how these are going to be doing. Mullen's holding support. BBIG held at 6% day. Guys, keep serious eyes on BBIG and Mullen. Serious. Obviously, other ones, PTPI, XELA, MMAT, right? All the other small cap runners, Sundial. Okay, about 15 seconds left of Power Hour. We want to watch these close. And the market is now closed, everybody. Okay. A little bit of a red candle upon market close here. Whoa. Holding up. Holding up here for AMC. Alright, guys. That is going to do it for the live stream. I appreciate everybody hopping in. Make sure to go in the description and check the links down below for the merch store that just opened up. It hasn't been announced to the whole channel yet. Whoever was on the live is able to see it. And also, I plan on doing free merch for members. So that link is also down below. Also, a link to get free stocks. AMC just got fucking smacked and you're watching it live. Down to 1850 in a single candle here. Whoa. Very interesting. Very interesting. Just like that, a snap to break below its overall trend line. A drop down to 1850 with no volume here. Take a look at the volume candles. Okay, it's popping back up. Remember, we've been seeing weird things in the close like we saw yesterday. Very weird. Alright, well, we will do some digging and come back with an update video tonight, guys. Make sure to check the links in the description for free stocks, the merch store, all that good stuff. You'll get some free money before that update video comes out. Overall, guys, that is going to do it for the stream. I appreciate everybody hopping in. It was dope. It was fun. Thank you for all staying. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Make sure to comment on tonight's update video so I know that the people in the stream are over there now. I love you guys. I do seriously appreciate the support. And that is it. Lottery stocks out. We're going to stop.